Hi guys, I'm Asnith, and today I am going to be bringing you another raw food recipe. Alright, so I wanted to just create this quick video to kind of show you another one of my go-tos. I probably have quite a few go-tos. So if you notice anything about me and anything about my channel, I kind of just teach you guys how to do quick and easy, nutritious recipes. Alright, so this is going to be no different. What I did is I went ahead and I washed some broccoli off. And then I put peppers in here. All right, so on top of that, I'm going to now go and add some onion. I have minced garlic right here. I'm going to add that in as well. And then I have some red pepper flakes. So with the onions that I just put into the bowl, that is probably no more than like a quarter cup, which is usually what I go to when I'm doing like raw recipes similar to this one. And then as far as the minced garlic, I use 1 clove. And now with the red pepper, this is going to be more than a pinch. But I'm going to tell you start with the pinch and then, season it to your taste buds. But me, I just need the extra spice, so I'm going to add it. Just grab a paper towel. The next thing I'm going to do, and this is optional because I'm going to be using some rice vinegar, but I'm going to squeeze a little lime on top. If you have lime or lemon, you can do that. All right, so in my past videos, I would always use like brass liquid aminos. I currently don't eat that anymore. That's why in my newer videos, you kind of see me going to the organic shoyu type of seasoning for this, because the brass liquid aminos kind of imitated this, but I just realized it would be healthier to kind of just go this route. So what I'm going to do with this is, I don't even want a whole teaspoon, if half a teaspoon, if that. It's just sometimes to get the garlic saturated, you're going to have to massage it. So I'm going to say less than half a teaspoon because it can be really salty if you put too much. So you just want to season it according to your taste buds. You definitely don't want to add too much. And then I'm also going to say maybe about a teaspoon. This is pure sesame oil. Just going to add that in there. And I'm just guesstimating with mine because when I'm actually preparing my meals, I a lot of times don't measure it out. I just put it in and season it to taste. And then with the rice vinegar, you probably don't even want like a quarter spoon of it. You also want to use this according to your taste buds. So you just want to mix this in there. Massage it. Like soon as I get done with this. So with these marinated, with this could be a marinated vegetable that sits for like an hour or more. As you kind of let these flavors mesh in together. Or you can eat it right on the spot, which is usually what I do. I'll just taste it, and then if I have to tweak it, I do. Sometimes you'll taste it and you're like, oh, I could have added this more or did that. So I really don't want to try this broccoli on camera because it takes so long to chew, but it's so good. All right, so for me, that's perfect. Perfect. So you would just blend this quickly to this up and just let you know something. All right, so some people say, I don't love vegetables. I don't want to eat them all day. They're so important, especially when you're going to do a vegan diet. I want you to get out of the habit of referring to vegan as being healthy. Being a vegan itself is not healthy. It's what you're consuming that decides whether that food is nutritious or not. So if you're doing something that has no nutritional value, it doesn't matter if it has a vegan label or not. What matters, does it bring value? Does it promote greater health in your body? So those are things to look at. I just wanted to bring this quick stir-fry recipe. And I'll probably bring another dish tomorrow because I just want to show you how versatile something like this is. You don't always have to season mixed vegetables this way. There are many ways to do it. All right? So if you would add anything, let me know. If you would change anything, let me know. Until next time, have a great taste.